Yeah, look, it's picking up on Brazil. Yeah, they went to Brazil. Painting. Oh, it's crying. Right there. Are you okay? Oh, don't poop on me. Your hair is going on. It's crying. Is it having a hard time pooping? It looks like it's crying because it's having a hard time pooping. Yeah. Aww. Because I know that's the telltale sign when they're about to poop. It's crying. Oh, poor thing. What's this receipt here? What is it? Yeah, look at that. That looks like spices or something. Like, you know, like something that would be spicy. So look at it. There's Advil. There's someone's stomach. Minerals. Chestnut. Mars. NARS. Soft. And Mount. Oh, that's concealer. Sephora. Beauty. Tuh. Concealer and some kind of mineral stuff for your face. Visa, Sephora, Prudential Center, Boylston, Boston, B123. Wow, Sephora. You know, it's picking up on somebody that got caught stealing. Look at 99. Yep, Beauty Insider. I know who I'm picking up. Yeah, so crying from poop, having trouble pooping. I'm picking up on someone stealing beauty products or something. Thaw. Yeah. That's so crazy. What is that? Air freshener? Yeah, the trees. Watertown, New York. Glasses again. Reading glasses. Yeah.